Illinois' rivers harbor ancient fishes of great ecological importance. Gars and bowfin, collectively known as holosteans, are ancient fish found in eastern North America that have helped control aquatic populations as apex predators for the entire history of the ecosystem. Fossil records of gar date back more than 100 million years. In the past, gars and bowfin have been considered undesirable rough fish because of their reputation for competing with and consuming more desirable game fish. However, recently gars and bowfin have become popular among anglers, both for bow fishing and hook and line. As these fish grow in popularity, so too does the risk for overharvest, and so it is imperative that we understand statewide population dynamics in order to effectively manage the fishery. In fact, Illinois recently passed a House bill that urges the Department of Natural Resources to develop protections necessary to ensure the long-term viability of gars in Illinois. IDNR has contracted with the Illinois Natural History Survey at the University of Illinois to study essential questions for maintaining these ancient fishes in the rivers and streams of Illinois. This research is funded with tax dollars through the Federal Aid and Sport Fish Restoration Act. Various Illinois rivers and streams are constantly being sampled by the researchers. They collect and tag gars and bowfin and study them in ways that will reveal how their populations function. In order to effectively manage the fishery, we must understand these fish's growth rates, their age at reproductive maturity, the size of local populations, as well as movement and migration patterns. Understanding these characteristics will help determine the status of these fish's populations in the state and allow us to properly regulate the fishery. It is important that we understand the critical role the holosteans play in Illinois' aquatic ecosystems and manage the state's fishery in the most productive way possible. Visit these sites to learn more about these species and our efforts to sustain them.